Hey guys, today let's try to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So all we need to do is to launch the Instagram application, and once we're here, I want you to tap on your profile and then tap on your followers list. So as you would see, you could actually see this followers list, and we do have a few categories here. The first category is basically, these are actually accounts you don't follow back. So this is the other way around. This is actually a category of those accounts that follow you, but you don't follow them back. And as you would see here is all of those accounts. And if you want to go ahead and check who unfollowed you, just go ahead and tap on your following list. You can actually tap on each individual ones of these followers and go ahead and just view the specific person that you suspect does not follow you. And then let's say, for example, that person is, let's say, this person over here. Just go ahead and tap on their following list. And if your username is not here, they have unfollowed you. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.